All right, let's get into it. The robot is completely simplified, but still has a lot of power. This tool is for people who are getting into trading, who want to learn and trade like true professionals. These are the strategies that are tested by professionals. These are the strategies that belong to professionals. People use them. These are the most proven ones, the most tested ones. We tested them ourselves as well. So these are the strategies that we would recommend getting into trading with. And let's go ahead. We want to trade, for example, with moving average cross. Let's select moving average cross and let's go and find an asset that we want to perform a trade on. We have a list of assets here. Let's go and find the one that suits us. Usually I would suggest to go above 80%. So if you find an asset with above 80%, that is good. We have it right here. Let's click on it. We have 8 time frames to select from. So whatever your trading style is, either you like swing trading, either you want to do intraday, you want to do scalping, you have a mode for that here, and the robot will perform analysis on all time frames, but give you technical analysis only for the time frame that you selected. But it needs to look at the higher time frame to see if there's market structures existing on the higher time frame that would affect the price short term, long term, whatever. So let's go into it. We're gonna trade on 1 minute here, and after that we press start analysis, and that's it. We're in our trade and we don't need a lot of trades with this tool. Just pick a nice chart with not a lot of movement, but also not too little volatility. You want just enough, and go in, analyze the market with the tool, get in, get your money. This tool is designed for efficiency, for productivity, to make sure that you understand what you're trading on, why you're trading on that, and what you're trading with. So right here we're trading with moving average cross, and here it is. After the 20 EMA crossed the 50 EMA, price pulled back slightly, retested the averages and continued higher. This confirms strong buying interest and trend stability. So we are looking for a green candle to form. As you can see, all the candles prior to this had strong rejection. That already tells me that we are looking, once again, we are currently retesting the moving averages, so we should be able to secure some good profit here on this final second rejection right here. This is what I've been looking for, and this is exactly what the robot is talking about when it gives me the analysis. And I saw it was retesting the moving averages. The moving averages are right here right now. It retested them and it bounced back off it. The analysis is spot on because it's performed in real time. You have a screenshot right here with the strategy applied right here. This is trading view, and you have a strategy applied here with all the things that you need. The robot is drawing the information from this chart right here and gives it to you right here in a simple and easy to understand way. We already make over $1,500 on our first trade, and we just need to do like 1 or 2 more. And let's go to Bollinger Band strategy, for example, somewhere in the middle, and let's continue going through the assets and try to find a good one. And if you find a really good chart, you don't have to swap charts and look for new charts all the time. If you find something nice, keep trading on it, as long as you're getting wins. But also I suggest people to not overtrade. You want to go into the market, you want to do your trades, and you want to get out. Don't overstay your welcome. The market is not always going to be pleasant to you, so take what you can and get out. And let's go ahead. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, same process. 1 minute, press start analysis. Now we wait. You can see how simple the process is. Anybody can do this, regardless of like if you have $10, $50, $30. This is possible and this is doable. And let's go ahead and place a sell position here with more money, 1,500, and I'm gonna wait because I think we're gonna get a green candle here potentially before it actually reverses. So let's see it. You can see there is a lot of volume and then buyers volume coming in. This is going to be a pretty close trade, I think. So let's just let it play out, and let's look at the robot once again. Screenshot with a different strategy applied. Bollinger Bands right here with the settings 20 and deviation of 2. We have the analysis. Price holds below the middle band for multiple sessions, showing seller's control. RSI gradually decreases from 41 to 35, keeping the trend intact. And we are approaching the end here, and as you can see, like I said, this is not going to be an easy trade. This is going to be a very close trade. We might get some, we might lose some. We're already profiting 1500 here, and this is our profit from last trade going in. Right there we get the first one and we lose two. That is unfortunate, but this chart was really choppy. This is the start of a sideways movement, and even though the analysis was spot on, when there's such little volatility and then it spikes, you can expect this. Let's go ahead. We're still up, we're still profiting. Let's go ahead, select Bollinger Bands again and find another chart, and let's look for profit over there. Euro Canadian, beautiful chart. Let's hit it up. 1 minute, press start analysis, and we're in. We're gonna place big on this one because this is a really good situation, and I know the robot will come in with the right analysis. So I'm all set to place this trade, and exactly I'm gonna place 1000 right here. Wait for the price to drop down a little bit. It's probably gonna drop down more. I have a feeling there's gonna be like a strong candle here. I have at least 10 seconds more to figure this out. Okay, there's not enough movement. There it is. All right, we're gonna leave it at that. 1500 on this trade. Same process, same analysis, same consistency. You have a chart, you have the strategy applied to it, information is drawn, given to you in a nice and easy to follow form. Strategy comment: after touching the middle band, price quickly recovers and reaches the upper band. EMA alignment favors further upside. You have everything that you need: analysis, screenshot, entry price, everything that you would need. You are right now trading with a strategy of a professional trader. You are now part of the system. You are now learning, educating yourself, and making money at the same time. And there it is, beautiful trade. We make all the money back from the previous loss. We're on top again, and the strategy seems to be delivering. Let's continue. Let's do one last trade here, and let's hit, for example, pivot reversal strategy, and let's look at what we can make with it. We had to circle all the way back to Australian dollar, Japanese yen. There was no assets with above 80%, so we're going in here, and let's see if the robot can close out the session on the same asset that we started with. Let's see the analysis. We're gonna use pivot reversal strategy. We're gonna place a sell position here, and I'm gonna drop another 1000. This was quite low drop, but I think we are in for a strong reversal here, and $1,000 should be pretty good. If we take a loss here, which is possible, I think there is a certain level here that we start to approach. But if we do lose, I'm gonna perform analysis again on this chart with the same strategy, because I believe there is strong potential on this chart. This looks like a very strong reversal, the mirroring of this push into the market structure, and now we're just mirroring it. Super nice. I think we're good. I think we're safe, and there it is. This is another great performance from the trading robot. Price reverses from the pivot with 2 consecutive bearish candles. We got 2 consecutive strong bearish candles. RSI slides to 42, confirming momentum shift, and this is exactly what it was. You can see we had strong momentum, strong bullish momentum. We hit the market structure, and momentum shift happens here, and it leads us to $820 of profit and $3,000 of profit for the trading session. So there you have it, guys. If you want to trade with this tool, now is the time. Send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. Everybody is welcome. Everybody can start trading with professional tools today. This is not exclusive anymore. This is available for everybody, and you can start with whatever amount, 50, 20, 100, whatever. You can start climbing and slowly making your way up. We're going to provide you with every tool necessary. We're going to give you access to our database of knowledge. We're going to guide you, help you find your system. You can find the link in the description below. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.